Hello everyone, welcome back to Little Srinro channel. I'm Jess and this is Little Srinro, and today we're gonna talk about a topic that rather controversy. That is custom brush versus default brushes. So you may heard some of the very popular artists on Instagram or YouTube saying that you absolutely don't need custom brushes, and then they proceed to draw a beautiful picture only using raw brush. Well, let me tell you, they are lying to you. The artists, they have 10, 20 years experience and they've been in art school for a very, very long time. So they literally can make art out of anything. It doesn't matter, it's raw brush, ink brush, water brush. They can make art out of anything. But not everybody's like them. Especially if you're a beginner, it can be hard. If you need help of custom brushes, use it. Don't feel guilty, and you're not going to become a bad artist just because you use custom brushes. On the other hand, you have these artists that is make custom brush and they sell custom brush. So they tell you that you absolutely need custom brush. Well, let me tell you, they also lying to you. Well, they are selling brushes, so of course they would tell you that you need these custom brush, and without it, you're gonna fail. Well, that is not true. You absolutely don't need these brushes. There are many ways to get custom brushes. One of my favorite website is brusheasy.com. Or you can play around with your brush setting with the brushes that you already have to create custom brushes. So you don't have to buy custom brushes. Of course, some of the custom brushes are very nice to have. So, if you need it, buy it, not a problem. But you don't have to buy because you can always get free custom brushes or create your own custom brushes. So right here, I pinned a couple of things in custom brushes and basic brushes so that you can compare the two of them. On the right side, I have the custom brushes, and on the left side, I have our default brushes, mostly round brush and pencil brush. So in the first picture, the one on the right, I really like it because the custom brush gives it a very, very nice texture. But on the right, it gives me a very natural and authentic feel. So it's your personal reference. On the second picture, I like them both for the texture, but the custom brush actually helped me paint the cloud a lot faster. For the last painting of the water, I actually like them both. The custom brush definitely helped me paint it a lot quicker, like literally just one click and all the water wave is already there. Didn't take much time at all. But on the left side, with the basic default brushes, I kind of like the texture and the way it turns out better. I feel like the wave is more, dramatic and more natural. So I hope after watching this and see all these things that I paint with default brushes and custom brushes, you can decide for yourself that you need custom brushes or not. Just because one big artist say one thing doesn't mean you have to listen to them. And it's not like maybe they're not purposely lying to you, but it just that is their own experience, that their own art journey, and you have your own journey to try, and you know best what you need. So decide for yourself You need custom brush or not?